get it approved. Okay, Mr. Okay, yes.
So,
Okay, so Mr. Avinash, how are you? First thing first.
hi
I hope you're
Pandaji.
better.
Hi Pandaji. Yes, yes, yes. It is
I'm good. I'm good.
after 30 or 33 years of long distance
Uh,
relationship that we have had.
correct, correct, correct.
For the first time,
Correct.
we are talking in English with each other. So
And in the meantime, in this this in this 33 years of a relationship, we also had few other relationships also, which has
yeah,
now converted to permanent relationships also. But
yeah.
nothing beats this.
But nothing beats this. Talking to Ashutosh Pandey in English. But yeah,
No, no,
like
the best part is having talking with this earphones on is that everything is between this head and that head.
correct,
No
correct.
other heads.
Nothing in between. No other heads. Yeah, Pandaji.
तो
So Pandaji,
आज
so like
खैर मैं
let
बता दूं पहली बात तो ये कि आज टुडे 25 जुलाई थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों रखेंगे.
हाँ हाँ
इट्स अ वेरी बिग डे क्योंकि सही बात है भाई.
करेक्ट.
एनडीए सरकार का मोदी सरकार का एक मंत्री ने इस्तीफा दिया है. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत अच्छी
ये
बात है
15 साल के
कि
कार्यकाल में पहला
एक्सेप्ट.
इस्तीफा है.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है. इसमें कोई इतना बड़ी उनके लिए तो चीज होगी कि वो उनकी नाक थोड़ी सी झुकी होगी.
हम्म.
लेकिन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, डेमोक्रेसी है. और अगर एक कलेक्टिव ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को ऐसा लगता है फॉर वट एवर गुड और बैड रीजन, फॉर वट एवर राइट और रॉन्ग, ठीक है, यू शुड जस्ट मूव ऑन. ठीक है, नो इफ एंड बट्स. अगर
ओके.
वो कुछ कलेक्टिव ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को लगता है कि नहीं 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 दिक्कत है, तो आप हटिए. डेमोक्रेसी से आप वहां पे हैं. आप
करेक्ट.
ना आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ है, ना आपको बपंसी मिला है, ना यहाँ पे हायरार्की मोनार्की चल रही है. यू हैव बीन इलेक्टेड,
यू बीन
नथिंग
ऑफिशियली
एल्स. नॉट
इलेक्टेड. यस.
सिलेक्टेड, नो हेरिडिटरी, नो कुछ नहीं. यू हैव बीन इलेक्टेड.
ऑफिशियली यस.
तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, वो नहीं अच्छे लगने पे बात हो सकती है कि क्यों नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या अच्छा लगना चाहिए, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगना. बट नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, चलिए,
जय.
बात करो.
So Pandit, so before we start our discussion, let's do the due diligence. So I will introduce a
हम्म.
bit about myself and looking forward to your introduction so that probably who might be our listener in future, including my wife who is acting catty right now. Uh,
As
should
she
be,
always has
yeah,
been.
as she always has been from past 11 years now. But yeah, my
11.
yeah, 2015.
11 and a half. 11 and a half. You forgot that 6 months. Hey, don't do that.
Uh,
Don't do that. 11 and a half.
Apologies. So Avinash, this side, as you know, like why
So
I
same.
am Avinash Kumar Singh, yes. So why am I eligible to have this discussion today with you? Because I have seen almost half of the Asia, if not full, worked in few of the countries apart from India, built some of the businesses, pan India and pan India, pan Asia
Yes.
rather. So I
And
find
that's true.
myself a bit eligible to talk about this topic where the large mass of the people are incorporated, the large mass of the people are in place, and their future is being depicted through this. So over to you, Mr. Pandey.
Now, one thing, as you mentioned that I feel eligible. Definitely, you are in a very good position and very having a good amount of experience. One thing I want to add on this, before I tell something about me, all the youths of this country are eligible to speak on this thing. Okay?
Yes.
I'm just saying this to open to all of them who might be listening to us or might not be listening. सब है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ठीक है, आप बोलो. कलेक्टिव ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल बोलेंगे, वो गलत बोलेंगे, फिर उनको समझाया जाएगा. ठीक है, they will correct themselves. And that this is the best part about is what is here today. They are ready to correct themselves. ठीक है, तो वो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And they are learning, and they are learning more and more from this medium for on which we will be putting this video also. And
Sure.
so abhi coming back to me, I am a qualified chartered accountant. I also having same 11, 10, 11 years of years of experience. I qualified in around 2014, end of 2014. तो इतना है कि है. एंड आई एम इन कॉर्पोरेट, सो आई हैव बीन वर्किंग इन द कॉर्पोरेट. ऑफ एंड ऑन कुछ इधर कर लिया, कुछ इधर कर लिया, बट मोस्टली आई एम बीन वर्किंग इन द कॉर्पोरेट. तो अभी कहाँ हूँ कैसे हूँ तो दैट इज ठीक है, वो एनीवन कैन फिगर इट आउट. माय
Yes,
नेम, you put CA plus and can take it from the LinkedIn. I'm not going
for
to,
sure.
that is a good. So now coming to the big elephant news of the day कि भाई एनडीए सरकार का पहला रेजिग्नेशन हुआ है. मजाक थोड़ी है,
मजाक नहीं है.
मजाक नहीं है. और तो जैसा मैंने कहा कि कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होगी, लेकिन ये आज वो हैं तो भी चल रहा है, उनको पहले भी चल रहा था देश, उनके बाद भी चलता ही रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है.
तो पंडित
हाँ,
जी, बिफोर
देयर इज अ
मूविंग
ग्रेट,
फॉरवर्ड, एक बात आपसे मैं समझना चाहता हूँ
नहीं
कि
एक चीज
इसके
और बस, हाँ एक
इसका,
कि
हाँ हाँ
देयर
हाँ,
इज अ
प्लीज.
ग्रेट ग्रेट
हाँ,
ग्रेट डील, great deal of contribution of this government in this nation building. That is a
करेक्ट.
fact. But that
अनडिनाबल
will
फैक्ट.
not, that undeniable fact. But that for that the country is not going to give its give away its democratic rights or anything of that sort to this government. ठीक है. Now you can please, हाँ.
ना पांडे जी, बिफोर यू मूव फॉरवर्ड, थोड़ा सा आप हिस्ट्री बताएंगे क्या एक बार, लाइक व्हाट वी वर डिस्कसिंग बिफोर दिस कॉल, कि why it is so important, why, what is the relevance of this resignation, while we
See,
understand that the government is changing, the government has changed a bit of a bit of government, a bit of ministry here and there, but that shouldn't be something which should be a very path breaking thing. Why it is that important, why it is that vital rather than important?
see one thing. When this our so-called Modi ji came in power, so he doesn't believe in pressure politics at all. ठीक है. और उसके 100 examples हैं. And this is not only from 2014. This is from the beginning of kind of when he was in Gujarat as a CM in Gujarat. ठीक है. तो ही believes in that कि नहीं वो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है. Because उनको जो करना है वो उसी तरह से वही करेंगे, जैसे करना वैसे ही करेंगे. He doesn't want to get into this. And especially we NDA, the country at center especially, has seen a lot of pressure point. Some group of coming, अभी गवर्नमेंट कुछ अच्छा भी करने जा रही है, तो एक ग्रुप बना के और फिर आप उसको उन चीजों को रोक लेते हैं कि नहीं, दिस विल नॉट बी गेट डन बाय दिस एंड दिस. We have seen that in 2008 nuclear deal also. Had it not been Manmohan Singh, it would have been a disaster for this country. ठीक है. And that would have still been a dream only.
For the
ठीक है. तो
listeners,
वो
Pandit ji,
चीजें हैं.
within 2 lines, can you explain what was 2008 nuclear deal? Within two
Although I will
lines.
not get, हाँ तो ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो nuclear deal, it was I think I'm not getting too much details, but India agreed with the America, USA, to share some of its nuclear details and build some nuclear facilities in India for nuclear energy. Correct me if I'm wrong. ठीक है.
Hmm. नहीं,
Communist Party, leftist parties were not ready for these things. They blah 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 for so many reasons, their own politics. They saw. अब उनको रोना तो रोएंगे ही.
but again,
तो
we will
but
come
somehow,
again on this topic in detail. But yeah, please continue.
yes yes yes. हाँ तो मतलब ठीक है, तो लेकिन वो somehow our PM got this done. Even Sonia Gandhi was not in favor of this कि नहीं, अगर इतना इशू हो रहा है तो we will not do this.
So for the
But at
listeners,
that time,
Pandey, I am pretty much sure. Like, trust me, I was not aware of this fact. And if I am not aware of the fact, most of the real watching, I'm not saying anything, but most of the
sorry, which
intellect,
fact? The Sonia Gandhi fact or what?
yeah, Sonia Gandhi fact. Like
हाँ, she
I
was
was
not
under
ready.
the impression that it's a unanimous decision by the entire UPA government,
No.
not by our ex Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, Dr. Manmohan Singh rather.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this is a new fact, and for the lower, lower concentration, rather lower concentration. Even I am the lower concentration person now. For the lower concentration people right now, this would serve as a food for thought. Please go ahead.
No, no, no. So this was the I mean brief on this. And ठीक है, अभी let's not 2000 we can make a separate discussion video on that and very detailed. I will do some research also, but that was the whole crux of it. So in general, the idea at the center that was that the pressure politics did work. If certain group of people wanted to get something done, it was not that hard for them, and especially if they were coming from a place of politics or something like that. some political group or something like, ठीक है. तो this is what Modi has been of the mindset कि no, I will not tolerate this pressure politics.
Mhm.
But this is, see, I will tell you one thing. Uh, this is the first time some minister has resigned. Rajnath Singh in the first term of, and he said that भैया ये यूपी सरकार नहीं है, यहाँ रेजिग्नेशन नहीं है. ठीक है, वो एग्रीड किया. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. ये सरकार ने भी ना दो बड़े बड़े चीजों पे इसके पहले भी यू टर्न लिया है. ठीक है, एक पहला था लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल. आई डोंट नो रिकॉल द ईयर एंड ऑल. वो भी फर्स्ट टर्म में था, एनडीए के फर्स्ट टर्म में. ठीक है, दे पास्ड इट, बट वेरी एजिटेशन ये वो, तो दे टुक इट बैक. सेकंड जो आपका ये था एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म बिल, दैट केम इन एनडीए सेकंड टर्म, दैट आल्सो गॉट बैक. तो ऐसा नहीं कि यूटर्न नहीं लिया, तो यूटर्न लिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा यूटर्न नहीं था. यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई पॉलिसी आपको बैक नहीं करनी थी, बट यहाँ पे मैनचेस्टर को डिजाइन करा, विच इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि टेकिंग सम बैक सम पॉलिसी, ठीक है, वो हुआ वो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन मिनिस्टर वापस लेना अभी, तो फिर ये होगा कि कल को आप फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर का भी मांग सकते हो, किसी का भी
Correct.
मांग सकते हो फिर.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो ये इट्स, इन दैट सेंस इट्स अ बिग थिंग, स्पेशली कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस लाइक दैट. But why it has been done, how it has been done, that is very interesting actually. Because see, what I feel that somehow this government took it very casually. It was, even it was very casual. One of my known person visited this Sonam Wangchukla protest area last week. Okay, last week some Wednesday or sometime. ठीक है. It was empty. कोई नहीं था. ठीक है. बिल्कुल खाली था. Slowly the heat built up, and I tell you, he is one of the biggest reason for this whole gathering.
No doubt
सीजेपी
about
को
this.
कोई नहीं पूछ रहा था. ठीक है, सीजेपी को कोई नहीं पूछ रहा था. जो भी आपको ट्रैक्शन आया है, वो सोनम वांगचुक की वजह से है. इस
Exactly.
हंगर स्ट्राइक.
And
ठीक है.
unfortunately, no one is talking about Sonam Wangchuk now.
नो वन इज टॉकिंग.
And this is
नहीं दो,
so unfortunate.
हाँ, तो हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ. तो वही बात है ना, हर चीज डिस्कस करेंगे तो बहुत लंबा वीडियो होगा. बट लेट्स आई मीन लेट्स ट्राई टू रैप इट इन 10 मिनट्स, बट आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट वेरी बिग फॉर द
Mhm.
फर्स्ट टाइम. तो ये है. तो अब ये हुआ, तो वहां से ट्रैक्शन हुआ. फिर ये जो 20 जुलाई का इनका पार्लियामेंट का मार्च था, तो वहां जो लाठी चार्ज हुआ ना, एक्चुअली दिल्ली पुलिस हैज हेल्प्ड दिस सीजेपी एंड प्रोटेस्टर्स
Heat
टू बिल्ड
buildup.
अप द हीट. तो वहां से फिर वो हुआ है.
So,
एंड
Pandey,
उसके बाद एक फिर बहुत ही लोग ज्यादा आ गए, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई.
so I have a view on this, Pandey. Like you yourself are coming from, if you not directly, but your father, rather he himself has served as a CMO of Gorakhpur, more or
हम्म.
less. Now Dr. Pandey, Dr. S.K. Pandey has been instrumental in the terms of ophthalmology. So Pandey, the thing is that ki medical is such a ground in India where
करेक्ट.
where
करेक्ट.
where world looks forward to have goodness. Huh?
करेक्ट.
Where world looks forward to
यस.
have goodness, you know,
करेक्ट.
like the world looks forward to have a affordable treatments across India, and
और
India is
है भी.
known for it.
इंडिया,
It is damn
इंडिया है
affordable.
भी.
It is damn
मेडिकल
affordable.
टूरिज्म इज अ थिंग. मेडिकल टूरिज्म इज अ थिंग इंडिया.
Medical tourism is a thing, and we can point out the exact numbers as well for the listeners, probably in our detailed section, that what is the revenue India is generating and how much percent of the total revenue is being generated through medical tourism. So it's a thing. So what I want to call out here is that government has been taking uh, a common, or rather a middle class population for granted, which has been a prime vote bank for the
यस यस यस
NDA government. Now,
यस यस.
where I'm coming from, so I stay in a tier one city, okay, and I am decently, if not much educated, I'm decently educated. I am decent. I'm working in decent organizations. However, when you look into the larger perspective of what are my savings, what are my overall life, my where has my life gone better? Okay, so I left Dubai to come back to India to build something of my own. And trust me, it has been more than a year. My wife has been trying to build a brand. Okay. So in the instrumental regulations,
hard.
are yeah. So the brand is growing. While it's growing, the instrumental regulations delayed the launch of the brand, or rather, uh, put in the position of the brand by another 6 to 8 months. So that is the type of for granted government has been taking to the middle class, which is the fiercest and probably the biggest vote bank for the BJP government. Now, Modi government has been under the impression that okay, they don't have anywhere else to go. They will land up here. But they simply forgot that the UPA government was for 10 years before Anna Hazare took a stand in 2013, 2012-13, and
That actually helped BJP.
that actually helped only BJP, and it decisively one of the rather the biggest deciding factors of BJP coming in the or rather NDA coming in the power.
Just to add one more point here, the Anna Hazare movement was sourced and funded by RSS. Okay? And today, Arvind Kejriwal is stand as a like one of the biggest opponent of BJP. That is ठीक है लेकिन वो at
So
that moment that helped BJP.
I hope this information has some we can validate it through some sort of links or something like that, so that you
अरे
know.
भैया अभी अभी मैं आरएसएस वालों को बुला के तुमको बताऊंगा नहीं लेकिन ठीक है आई विल पुट सम
Yeah,
सोर्सेस
some sort of sources. Otherwise, people.
and just to clarify, I keep on reading, listening to many things. A lot of things that I'm saying that might come as a very free flow thing, but that are correct. I
This
mean,
can be this can be the
अभी
click. This can be the clickbait of this video.
नहीं ठीक है मतलब see I'm saying this on record I'm saying
That's
that
fine. Hence I said that.
अब
Hence
नहीं
I
see
said that.
no one can even I'm not a journalist I'm not a reporter even the bestest of the reporter in their bestest of books just will quote like will quote something and just say from sources. तो अभी
Understood.
मैं मेरे भी sources हैं ठीक है
So
that
okay,
is
then
let's go ahead
now
with that.
now Pandiji, what I'm trying to say here is okay, there are the three pillars of a person's life, especially who are residing in tier one and tier twos cities of India. The first pillar is the finances. Okay. The second pillar is you know overall, like after finances, it is basically healthcare. Okay. And the third and the probably the largest pillar is education. Okay. Now, if you look deeply into all these three pillars, okay, we are rigged. We are rigged,
Correct.
Panditji, and we are rigged to the bottom. I am not
And
saying all
this
good, all
NEET
good.
was a link to all these three.
This was linked to all these three. And if, let me be frank with you, if this government doesn't fix these three pillars, two things going to happen.
Sorry,
First, Indian ecosystem is going to collapse. If not today, once any day. Okay, second thing, what will happen? 2029 won't be repeated for BJP. And the second, and see, the alternatives are so pathetic in India. So we are seeing
yeah,
two
that is
alternatives
the
right now. We are
that
seeing
is
two
the
alternatives right now. The first alternative is the UPA government and or India bloc, INDI bloc. Let's not go where India bloc stands. We have Mulayam Singh Yadav, we have Mamta Didi in India bloc, we have Arvind Kejriwal in bloc, and they all have chopped their places where they have lived by all means on these three pillars of the society. Okay, so and the second, by the way, second one is CJP, which has come up somehow, at least on the digital world, it has come up as a as an opposition of BJP. This is as bleak as possible. Why it is as bleak as possible? Because they don't have a clear manifesto, they don't have a clear agenda, and without a clear agenda, when we can't make this video, how is a person going to run a show of 1.4 billion people? Okay, so the only solution out of this is BJP has to be rectified. Okay, and
वही
according
है
to me,
वही
this
होगा.
yeah, according to me, this is one of the best things happened in past 15 years as an opposition without having an opposition party. Because Rahul Gandhi, as a one of the biggest opposition players, is, to my all apologies to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is good for nothing. And he also knows deep down his heart he hasn't played a decisive role as an opposition player in past 10 3 13 in past 12 to 13 years. He hasn't played the role he has to play. He could have been a hero, but he
Yeah.
proved himself to live long enough and serve as a villain to this society. He is a core villain of this society. He is a core villain that BJP has started taking our ecosystem for granted. I know there's a time check, Pandey. Go ahead.
तो देखिए अभी see two three things. First thing is if CGP contests the elections now, it's likely that they will not win. They will lose like anything. You ask me the example. The biggest one is the Bihar elections. Prashant Kishore. It
No
was
doubt about it.
terrifying.
Terrifying.
ठीक है उनसे उससे भी बड़े बड़े एग्जांपल्स हैं. They will not. सोनम वांगचुक की बात हो रही थी ना.
Hmm.
Even if he contests the elections now, it's likely he will not win.
Not
So see,
likely.
this is
He will be.
India.
He will be having a landslide defeat.
Likely. So that is the thing. Maybe in Ladakh we could win because he is a hero now there. But it's very hard. अन्ना हजारे का क्या हुआ?
Being a hero and
तो
being a
वो
political
चीजें हैं.
hero both are different, Pandey.
बहुत बहुत बहुत. वो पॉलिटिकल हीरो मोदी जी हैं. ठीक है वो एक
He is
हीरो
here.
है. अच्छा नाउ कमिंग अब तो एक पॉइंट तो ये बता दिया कि सोनम वांगचुक और सीजेपी जो से आपने बताया ना कि देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. नो देयर आर नो टू ऑप्शंस. ठीक है. तो अभी अब फिर आते हैं अपने पहले ऑप्शंस पे राहुल गांधी पे. राहुल गांधी इस जन्म में ठीक है उनकी सबसे बड़ी जीत यही होगी कि वो सच में एक अच्छे विपक्ष के नेता बन जाए.
Correct.
ठीक है. इतना ही है. इतना ही है. और वो भी इतने पे लगे हैं. ही डिमोलिश्ड आम आदमी पार्टी इन दिल्ली. ठीक है वो उसको हटा दिया वहां से. ममता बनर्जी बंगाल से गई. ठीक है. लुक इन महाराष्ट्र. तो वो
UP.
ये नो हाँ यूपी. दीज ऑल हैव एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड राहुल गांधी टू बिकम एटलीस्ट एन अपोजिशन लीडर. नहीं तो इसके पहले तो ना केजरीवाल इसको पूछता था ना ममता दीदी पूछती थी इनको. ठीक है मिलने का टाइम में. अभी जब जैसे ही ममता दीदी हारी थी सबसे पहले जाके राहुल गांधी से. these things are there. He is only consolidating his position. And trust me, ठीक है the course correction that BJP does now, that's a lesson for all the political parties in this world. You cannot only in India.
No doubt
That's a
about it.
lesson for all.
Yeah.
You
They are the
see,
biggest students of politics.
तो 2024 के बाद जिस तरह से चेंजेस आए हैं ना. आई मीन दे हैव कोर्स करेक्टेड देयर सन एवरीवन. अब ठीक है लेट्स हल्का हल्का टच बेस विल डिटेल डिस्कस दिस इज वेरी इन डिटेल. आफ्टर 2024 इलेक्शंस ना all the state elections BJP and RSS is stopped using or started using lesser of Modi.
Yes.
ठीक है lesser of Modi. पोस्टर्स कम होने लगे. ये रैलियां कम होने लगी. बिकॉज समवेयर द कॉन्शियस कॉल वाज कि नहीं शायद अब थोड़ा सा हार्म हो रहा है. दोनों पॉइंट थे. एक तो था कि शायद इनका ओवर यूज हो रहा है तो वो हार्म हो रहा है. और दूसरा ये भी था कि कल को रिजल्ट विपरीत आ जाता है तो सब कुछ उनके पे जाता है.
Correct.
दैट्स टार्निशिंग हिज इमेज.
Hmm.
एंड दैट बेनिफिटेड इट लाइक एनीथिंग.
Kolkata, Bengal is
आप
the biggest
देखो
example.
biggest example.
Subhendu, Subhendu
Leave
has.
aside no, leave aside Maharashtra and Haryana and the other states. But yeah, obviously Bengal is the biggest state. तो ये चीज है. अभी कोर्स करेक्शन का सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल तो ये 2 दिन से जो मोदी जी रात को भी 11:30 बजे डाला पता नहीं शायद आज भी न डाल
Correct.
दिया. देखना
No
पड़ेगा.
doubt. No doubt that he is the most he is the
करेक्ट.
he is the A class student of the politics. A class student. No doubt about it.
ये चीज है. तो ये आप लोग सोचो वो इतना इजी नहीं है कि 2029 ऐसे हाथ से जाने देंगे. वो बहुत दे आर वेरी वेल वर्स ऑन दैट.
No, no, I don't
तो
think that they are
ये
going anywhere. And
हाँ
ideally, Pandey, they should not go until and unless there is a
करेक्ट
prominent,
करेक्ट.
prominent
this
opposition in India.
this resignation is also one of the fact saying thing that this government is so adjustable on their course correction वाला thing.
Correct.
कोर्स करेक्शन करना है अच्छा उसके लिए रेजिग्नेशन करवाना है हाँ ठीक है करवा दो. सी वन ऑफ आई टेल यू ऑल एवरीवन who all are listening to us. ठीक है. I mean please try to understand and implement this in your life and let's us also implement it. losing small battles for winning big battles is always a good idea.
It's
Is
always a good
always
idea.
and has been a, it's actually theory of emotional intelligence if you go on that. So lose small battles to win the big ones. That will matter the most. For BJP, 2027 UP is the big thing. For BJP, 2029 wala will be the biggest. It's not that one minister is ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. रिशफल भी करते ना तो हटा सकते थे. रिशफलिंग में भी कई
Correct.
मंत्रियों को हटाया है.
हाँ,
ऐसा
he
कोई
could
बहुत
have
बड़ा वो
given
नहीं
any
है.
Raj Mantralaya or something
तो
like that. Yeah. So Pandey, to
अभी
conclude, we
तो
are running out of time. A
yeah,
quick
let's
time check. We have
30
7
minutes,
minutes.
yeah.
We have 7 minutes
So
left. So just let me nudge on one small point, Pandey.
no,
So
no,
now,
not 7 minutes. Like we have already recorded 30 minutes, so let's not bore our audience that much.
okay, only one quick check, Pandaji. Like, okay, one thing that has been scattering in my mind is, see, like, okay, we have been speaking for 30 minutes, and most of the listeners will believe that we are pro Modi or we are pro
Correct.
BJP. Okay, so
No, no, we are pro India, please. हाँ, don't ये
हाँ,
वो हो चुका है.
so
ये बहुत सारा
this thing,
हम लोग
this
हम लोगों ने बहुत बाजा बजाया है. वो हो गया मोदी का वो
this
क्या है वो चुतिया था. हो गया बहुत हो गया है.
this information has to be
Let's
clearly
go further.
conveyed to our listeners that we are
हाँ,
not pro BJP, we are pro India. We are looking forward to
correct, correct,
have a greatest basis of India on these three pillars that we have mentioned. Have a great economy, have a great financial institution in India, be
नहीं ना इन्हीं से
financially
करवाना है.
educated.
इन्हीं
इन्हीं
से
से करवाना
करवाना
है,
इन्हीं से है. इन्हीं
क्योंकि
से
आपके
करवाना है.
पास आप अपने
लेकिन
आप
ठोक पीट के.
आप अपने आप को बहुत बुद्धिमान समझ रहे होंगे, आपको लग रहा होगा कि आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं बीजेपी के अगेंस्ट बोल करके, मोदी जी के अगेंस्ट बोल करके, कुछ भी बोल करके, and you have all the rights to do, but the matter of fact is India is still running behind in finding a right opposition. And if you find a
करेक्ट.
opposition coming in the center, take my words, the days will be gone when you are sitting happily on the chairs. You will neither have a good job, that is the financial part, you will not have a
करेक्ट,
good
करेक्ट.
health care. Okay,
यस,
that is
यस.
a neat examination. These flawed examinations will keep on repeating, and you will not even get to know. And the last but not least, your overall education, the freedom of social media that you're having, you might not have. Look at the other countries that are having, look at the situations they have right now. But it is great,
No,
but it is
definitely.
great that they have taken the accountability. Yeah,
No, no, I will add to this कि I mean ये जो एग्जाम्स है ना ठीक है. I mean with God's grace we are setting in a better thing.
we're
I'm not
setting
saying
the
that
better
we are Ambani's
precedence.
and Adani's. लेकिन बहुत सारे बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं ठीक है.
Correct.
मतलब वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है उनके लिए, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
बहुत
एंड
difficult है.
पीपल आर गिविंग विद सच ए बिग होप कि शायद कुछ हो जाए. और दीज एग्जाम्स आर नॉट लाइक गॉस्पेल ट्रूथ. आपको देंगे तो किसी को पता नहीं होता कि हो ही जाएगा या नहीं होगा.
Less than 1% chances,
देने के
Pandey.
पर और
Yeah,
कई लोग तो एक अटेम्प्ट देने के लिए यार बहुत कुछ दांव पे लगा रहता
correct.
है. रिसेंटली आई सॉ दैट वन लेडी went to the photo site with wearing the bride wala all the things and all. Lot of doctor examinations are given by girls because for girls still in country doctor is one of the biggest thing
Yeah, yeah.
in
Medical is one
society
of
में
the safest
खासकर.
streams. Yeah,
भाई सच में उनके लिए फिर उसका नहीं है कि भाई तुम शादी करो घर जाओ फिर वो खत्म है उसका कैरियर कुछ है नहीं आगे पीछे. वो एक अटेम्प्ट गया अरे यार छोड़ो कहाँ तुम. वो फिर वो बेचारी शी लॉस्ट.
no
आपको
doubt about
मतलब बहुत ही प्रिविलेज है. निर्मला सीतारमण से मुझे इतना दुख लगा. शी सेड कि बच्चों को टाइम मिल गया पढ़ने का.
this is such a
आपको एक बार हराए
this
आपको
is
5 साल बैठाए.
this
आपको
is such a
आपको टाइम मिल
casual
जाएगा थोड़ा.
this is
नहीं नहीं
such a
आपको पांच
casual
साल
comment.
बैठाते हैं घर पे. फिर आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा कि अगली बार मंत्रालय कैसे संभालना अच्छे से. आप बैठिए 5 साल जरा एक बार फिर बैठ के आइए. विल बी
Absolutely.
बेटर. यू ऑल्सो टू टेक अ लीव. आप
Yeah,
सच
yeah.
एज.
Take
You
a take
must
a
be tired. It
sabbatical.
seems you are tired.
Try taking a sabbatical. Exactly. She seems to
Sitaram
be
ji,
tired.
you seems tired. You actually seems tired.
The type of financial decisions she's been making. She
Hmm.
is tired. Ideally,
So
she
ठीक
should
है. Let's
resign.
end on.
She should resign.
Uh, yeah, a lot of them should learn, but yeah.
Yeah,
ठीक है. Let's end it this today. The
for
35 minutes.
sure.
I think this should be good enough.
We'll be cropping this
The,
video. Don't worry. We will have the edited
yeah,
version
yeah. We will cropping this, and next time we will be more structured, more focused. There is a
for sure.
lot to say, lot to. ठीक है तो do that.
But
Can you end it from your side? I am a little
that's okay. That's okay. Pandit ji, thanks a lot for connecting today. And
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स का है एक्चुअली, इसी तरह से
okay,
तो वही सीखा है हम लोगों ने।
okay,
चलो
okay, okay,
ठीक है
Pandit ji.
तो ये
Let
तो
me do that,
हो
Pandey.
गया नहीं है?
हाँ, हो गया, मैं काट रहा हूँ। एंड जय हिंद।
हाँ हाँ यार,
विल
प्लीज
डिस्कनेक्ट।
प्लीज प्लीज। जय हिंद जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय भारत। लेट्स मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन।
एकदम।